Who is it? Get him. Get him. Is that a Christmas beagle? Get him, Elvis. Who is that? You tell him. Who is it? Is that a dog out there? Kitty cat. Who is it? Who's it? Oh, there's Buddy. Yeah, you tell him. Who is it? Get him, Elvis. Tell him who's here. You can't come in my house. Get him, Elvis. Who's that? Who's that dog? Who's that dog? Who's that dog? Is that Kitty cat? Who is it, Kitty cat? Get him, Elvis. Oh. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him, Elvis. Get him. Get him, Elvis. Who is it? Get him, Elvis. Oh, Kitty cat. Is it Kitty cat? Who's that? Get him. Get him, Elvis. Here comes Hunter. Hello, Hunter. Hello, Hunter. How you doing, little boy? How you doing, little boy? Back to Elvis. Okay, Elvis. I'm going to bark you. Very good. Bird going too. Come on, you. Look who joined us. Mr. Hunter. Hi, Hunter. Get him. Get him, Elvis. Get him, Elvis. Hi, Hunter. Hi, Hunter. How are you? There's the boy. He's so... Get him. Get him, Elvis. Who's that? Uh-oh. Doggy, doggy, doggies. Doggy, doggy, doggies. Doggy, doggy, doggies. Ooh, look at Hunter. Look at Hunter. Get right in there and say hello to the people. Hello, everybody. Merry Christmas.